Good morning. So today let us see how to prepare the container or pot or raised bed, whatever you have in your garden. Preparing the soil. Here I am in my garden today. Let me show you which bed I am focusing on. There is one bed which is completely prepared there. Um, Let us see now in this video how to top up the potting mix in this raised bed, which was used to grow vegetables during monsoon, and make it ready for winter sowing. So some old roots, some grass here. So the base is ready. I have now arranged all the soil amendments to nourish the soil in this bed, and also to top up to required height with the new potting mix. So I have the plant nutrimix here, and then here we have the biofertilizer. This is the consortium of soil microorganisms, and also I have a bag of vermicompost. So we are going to now, first as a first step, mix all these things together in this tub. This bed is of 5 square foot growing area, so it is equivalent to 5 12-inch pots or grow bags. Accordingly you can calibrate the quantities based on the calculations are given in the Excel table, and also the demonstration I'm going to show you. So basically go by the per square foot calculation and then multiply it by the number of square foot of surface area. First I'll take vermicompost. So I will add about 2 big handfuls per square foot. So this is roughly for 1 square foot. So I take about 5 of these. So that's the Nutrimix, and half of that dosage would be the biofertilizers. So this much should do in this case. I'm going to mix them thoroughly. So this way it helps very even distribution of all the nutrients and all the microorganisms across the bed. When you are preparing your pots, you can make an assessment of the number of pots that you are going to work with, and then accordingly have some container or a sheet on the ground. Make this mixture all at once, and then add into each of the pots and containers. It will be a lot easier and a lot faster. So let's spread it. As you could figure, it gave a kind of a half an inch of spread across the bed, and let us just integrate that into the soil. So as you can see now, the raised bed is ready with all the nourishment that it needs, and then it is good to go for sowing. But there is one important activity before sowing, that is drenching the bed with liquid nutrition. So here I have 3 different nutritional supplements that I am going to use to enrich the soil further. And first and foremost is our Jivamrita, which is the minimum that I would recommend to use. And second, here in my case I am doing bokashi composting, so I get bokashi brew or bokashi leachate, which I am going to add. And then I also have the K-Rich. So this is the potassium full weight and potassium humate blended in cow urine, aged cow urine, and this is a fantastic supplement for potassium and nitrogen. So this is a very broad based nutrition and microorganisms based on the variety of vegetables that you are consuming in the past couple of weeks, and this of course is from the cow urine and cow dung with the protein infusion from gram flour. So you can imagine now, with wide varieties of these kind of nutritional supplements, both liquid and solid, and vermicompost, this bed is the home any plants would love to live in. Now I have the nutrition infused water is ready for drenching the bed. So I will distribute this very uniformly across the bed so that it can distribute evenly, slightly compacting the soil as well as going uniformly deeper. I love doing this because I know what kind of impact it will have in growing vegetables. So I get a very characteristic fragrant smell predominantly from Jivamritam, but also a little bit bokashi flavor. Super. So now the bed is ready for sowing. It's all leveled up, topped up and full of nutrition. So ready to go.